What is this? Oh, what is that? Should we open it?
Yeah.
Should we open it? Open it. Hey, what's up? My name is Amir, and welcome back to the channel. And I'm really excited today. What are you doing, kid? What are you doing? What are you doing over there? Yeah, we got him driving his i8 and the freshly painted wheels on that i8. Anyway, and as you guys can tell, I'm really excited today because something arrived today in the mail. UPS just delivered it, 10 minutes ago, and I had this planned on the Corvette. So this is today's video. I haven't even opened it up, so hopefully it's not damaged, it's not scuffed up or cracked. Let's hope for the best and open up that package and see what's in there. All right, let's check this out. Woo! What is that, Molly? Hey, be careful. What is that?
Car.
Oh, whoa. What are those? What are those? And as you guys can see, this is a brand new stage 3 front splitter. Right now I have a stage 1. And this is the one I got when I bought the car like 3 years ago. Now this one has a little crack in it, and it's also got a couple scuffs and rock chips. It's really hard to tell in videos, and it doesn't look as aggressive on the car. This is why I got this one, the stage 3 setup. It comes with a little winglets on the side. Supposed to go something like this. I don't know, something like that. Woo! Damn, I can't wait to get this onto the car. Now this stage 3 front lip, it doesn't come painted because this is meant for the C7 and Z51 models. This is not the same one that goes onto a Z06. I couldn't find it anywhere online where it came painted, so I had to get the unpainted version, and it is polyurethane, so I gotta prep it, get it painted. Originally I was thinking about dropping it off at a shop and getting it painted professionally, but since you guys been asking for more videos of me working on the car, I'm gonna do all the work myself. I'm gonna paint it, I'm gonna prime it, I'm gonna sand it, all the way to installing it. It's gonna be epic. I can't wait to see the way it looks. It's gonna look so much more aggressive. I felt like the front needed a little bit of a redo. Now before I get into today's video, make sure you guys go into the description and don't miss out on that giveaway. I'm giving away a 10-inch dual action cordless polisher. The more entries you do, the better of a chance you have to get randomly selected as one of the winners. So check out all the info in the description. Right now the goal is to set up the stands, get everything ready, sand the front lip, the winglets, sand everything, and get it ready for priming. And I'm gonna probably end up priming it out here. I'm just gonna prime it. It doesn't matter if it's outside or whatever. It doesn't have to be super clean because I'm gonna sand the primer and smoothen it out before the actual paint job goes on there, which is gonna be done in the garage, and I'm gonna clean everything up. Alright, so I got the front lip sanded. I sanded the little winglets, the stage 3 winglets, and it's ready to be primed. I'm just gonna take a rag and clean it off with the greaser and prep it before I spray it. And I do want to mask up some stuff that I don't want primed and painted. And right now I'm gonna probably shoot 2 or 3 coats. Now I didn't really have to sand it and prime it and do all that. I could have just painted over the original polyurethane and maybe sealed it right beforehand. But I did notice there's a couple imperfections and little dimples and things like that, and this is why I really wanted to sand it. I wanted to level everything because this is not OEM, so I wanted to make sure that everything is perfect and level. Also, priming it will add another layer or 2 of evenness, and it's gonna self-level, and it's gonna make it even more of an even surface. So when it's all black and shiny and painted, I can get the perfect paint job, and this is why I'm doing it this way. Right now, I'm gonna get everything ready to shoot a couple coats of primer on the front lip and the little winglets. So let's get going before it gets kind of dark. It's already 6 o'clock, so I'm trying to rush through this, and I have about 1 hour left. So I want to finish this and let it cure until tomorrow, and I can work on the next steps. Looking pretty good after everything. How does it look, Molly? How does it look, Molly? Good?
Yeah. That's a bubble.
All right, so after the first coat, it's looking pretty good. There's a couple light spots that, you know, you can still see the black polyurethane coming through. Another reason I wanted to prime it is because the lighter color, you'll be able to see all the imperfections. But like right here, if you guys can see it, there's like little pinholes right there. So I gotta fill those in. It won't look good if I, you know, had that as a finished product. Now, another reason that I primed the front lip is to make sure the paint sticks to the front lip much more, because what happens is it is a front lip and you'll get rocks, you might get rock chips. Now if I don't prime it and I just shoot paint over the polyurethane, if I get a crack, the paint could actually crack and spread, and then you'll just have it flake and it'll flake off, and I kind of don't want that. I'd rather have it, you know, just one little rock chip and I can always touch it up. It's much easier to take care of. It helps the paint being bonded to the front lip in much a tougher way. So you always want to prime no matter what you're painting. I don't care if it's wood or plastic or whatever, it always helps to prime, and that's the best way to make sure that the finish lasts as long as possible. Now it is a little bit windy outside and it's really warm, so the primer is actually already dried. It doesn't take more than 10 minutes, and I do have fast drying primer. It's not going to be sanded today because I do want to let it cure all night. So I'm going to shoot one more coat over it, finish it all up, and put everything in the garage before it gets dark. Alright guys, everything is cleaned up, put back into the garage. Now I don't know, I was hoping to shoot and paint tomorrow, but seeing a couple of those pinholes that I didn't see before because it was, you know, just a black finish and I couldn't really tell. Shooting the primer over it really exposed some of those pinholes and imperfections, so I'm gonna have to probably sand it, put a little bit of glaze on it, and then do some spot repairs, maybe shoot a little bit of primer here and there, and then I would have to resand everything with 600 grit so I can get it ready for painting. So stay tuned to the channel. This project is gonna take probably a few more videos. If you did enjoy today's video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.